everybody, Dwayne Raines with KeyDigital Systems here. I'm here with my good buddy John Peterson with Innovative Sales Solutions. We're at one of their latest installs here. This is Lakewood Tavern in
Lake Elmo, Minnesota.
Lake Elmo, Minnesota.
Yes, it is.
Now, John, this one is very exciting because you're not only using our AV over IP, you're also using our KeyDigital free app that requires zero programming for this system.
We did.
Very exciting. This is an amazing, amazing sports bar. So talk about what they wanted here in this facility and how you delivered that.
Okay. So it's a new bar. Our first bar we did was Trail Stop out of Eagan, Minnesota. Had a great success there. They really want to stand for sports and having the best picture quality that's available, and also having the ability to watch any channel on any TV that you see within their restaurant, right? So they're really standing for that. So this is a new build, opened up a couple months ago. They really wanted to be known for sports, right? And they are right now.
Oh, yeah.
When you walk into this place, you see it's a sports bar.
So a total of 23 displays throughout the restaurant, right?
We did 23 displays, and actually have another encoder as well for audio. And then we have a wall plate in the back for their party room so they can rent it out for different events as well.
For that, you used our KD-XWPS, which has HDMI and USB-C. It's a switcher wall plate.
Exactly.
Feeding its own encoder.
Yep. Works out perfect. Easy to use. Plug it in, they hit a button, and it works. Then they can control audio in the back room or their main bar as well.
The other thing that we have with our free app now is you have the live feed, so you can see what the sources are with the thumbnails. We also just added a new feature. I think this may be the first one to go live with it, where we can, in the free app, turn all the displays on or off. So in the morning when they come in, they hit one button and everything comes on.
KeyDigital did an amazing job. We literally just, how many TVs, how many sources, we numbered them 1 through 23 throughout the bar. It came preloaded, ready to go. It was just hang the TV, put the KeyDigital product behind it, and then plug it in and turn it on, scan the channels, and now we have a control of all.
And of course, with our AV over IP, it's all PoE, so we're not having to find power out in the restaurant for the decoders or in the rack. Everything came, as you mentioned, pre-configured, labeled up. Plug and play for a lot of it. It
literally was plug and play. We had zero issues in install. It was a very unique install, from mounting to TVs to the KeyDigital put everything together.
It's been a lot of fun. So if you're in the area, make sure you stop by Lakewood Tavern in Lake Elmo, Minnesota, and check it out. It is really something to be proud of for both Innovative Sales Solutions and KeyDigital. We're very proud of it, and the food is great as well. The service is amazing, so come by and check it out.